How to change minion in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the minions. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left bottom, you can see this box-like icon. Tap on this box-like icon and here select personalization. So this is the place where you can personalize and customize different things. Here on the left, tap on Minion and here there are different minion icons that you can select from. So simply tap on the one that you want to change into, and here there are different minions that are cute and that you can change into. So first you must accumulate it by playing the game and by winning them through different events, and later you can even select it and it will pop up in the game later. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.